Hey guys, how you doing? Jasdeep here from Just Reviews. So this is called Polaris Minipod, and basically it's kind of like a AirPod copy. Even the packaging is very similar. You can feel the embossment on the top, and it says on the top that it's a Polaris Minipod. And this says it's work exactly the same. And if you're aware of AirPod Pro, it's basically the same, minus the price. It's fraction of the price, which is $39, and I'm not sure what exactly you can get in this price. So let's unbox this and find what exactly you do get and how exactly they work. The unboxing will not be like AirPod, but this is not too bad either. Menu. Look at that. So if you look here, so packaging is very good, and inside the box packaging is similar to Apple. Okay. That's very nice. So let's open this. Like, it's basically the same. I don't see any difference between this and this is the original AirPod. I'm worried if I'm going to mix them up, but let's see. So first test I'm gonna do, my AirPod Pro, they get connected to my iPad just like that. You just need to open it and they get connected. So first I'll show you. So let's find out. So this is the website for Polaris Minipod. As you can see, it's $39. So I'll show you first iPod Pro. So you keep it open. So here you go. It took a time, but it's showing on the screen. So I can just connect it from here and it will get connected. And now let's see if they can do some magic. It's very nice. I didn't expect from this copy of the AirPod Pro that is going to get connected to Apple devices. I'm wondering how they actually making it, just because I'm kind of like a little bit scared they get mixed up a little bit. That's why this is in cover and this is not in cover, but the light is same, and there is a button in the back and there's a button in the back here too. Because of the cover, the button here, it's difficult to press, but here the button will be very easy to press. So let's try to connect, and it says hold the button. So it's connecting. I have to say it's basically exactly the same process to connect for AirPod Pro, and so if they have copied it, this must be a very, very good copy. So let's see what else you get in Polaris Minipod. So remove this, and this is the cable which you get inside. So it's lightning port to USB type A, and you also get they fell down, but you also get some rubberized tips. So Polaris Minipod looks exactly the same as AirPod Pro. So as you can see, Polaris Minipod and AirPod Pro, they look very, very similar, and even work exactly the same. And I'm wondering how exactly is possible. It's very efficient to connect it exactly the same way you connect AirPod. And so I opened it, and it says it's 99% and 45% for the case. And they also say it's wireless charging enabled. So we're gonna test that out too. So let's try wireless charging from Galaxy S20 reverse wireless charging. So this is the original one, AirPod Pro, and you can also hear the sound and see the red light. So it's charging. So now Polaris Minipod. So you can see the light and exactly the same sound. So as I shown you that Polaris Minipod get connected to Apple iPhone or iPad much quicker than actual AirPod Pro. It takes only 1 second and 1.5 seconds for AirPod Pro. They don't get connected with Android though, so it's basically the same functionality like AirPod Pro. So check here and let me know what's the difference here. So this ear is Polaris Minipod and this ear is AirPod Pro. Basically they are exactly the same. There is no difference at all, and even they sound very similar. Little bit, tiny bit a difference in sound quality, but I'm not sure it's worth paying $200 extra for very little bit of sound improvement. And I tested out the noise cancellation also with this Polaris Minipod, which works great. It just feels like you're using AirPod Pro and no difference at all.